As I promised, me Vinita is with you once again to tell you how to speak apt English, correct English. Well, have you heard about Wright brothers? The ones who invented how to fly. Well, they never had any wings. They had a vision. They wanted to do it for themselves. Yeah, a little bit for themselves, more so for everyone. They wanted to make an aeroplane. They wanted to fly. And that vision made them do what they wanted to do. So if you have that will in you, if you have that grit in you, if you have that confidence in you, you can definitely do anything in this world. And learning a language is by itself something very pleasant, something very nice, something very interesting, and something very easy also. There was one more person. He also wanted to do the same thing. He had a lot of infrastructure, he had a lot of people around him, but they all were working for a paycheck. So he could not instill that invention mode in people, and he could never create anything. And when the Wright brothers were able to create, he never even got in touch with them so that he could also be a part of it. His ego was very big. You see, you must let your ego if you want to do well in life. And if you want to achieve something, you should have the determination, the grit, the 3Ds, the devotion, the dedication, and the determination. All three of them go hand in hand with each other. If we have this in us, nothing is impossible. We can achieve it. So with this confidence, with this feeling, start from today onwards. Start with me. Start with yourself. Confined in your own self. Have confidence in yourself. And you can do it. Do you know? I think we all know. If we are underconfident and if we have to perform, in front of the camera or in front of audience, then what happens? Supposing we have to sing. You know what happens? Our voice starts to stammer, vibrate. This is because of being underconfident. So you see what lack of confidence and fear can instill in you. So we need to get over our fears. We have to conquer everything. And that we can do when we overcome this fear factor in us. Otherwise, you know what is examination phobia? When you go for an exam, we've learnt everything, we are very ready for the exam, we want to perform very well, and we are very confident also we can do it. But the moment we see the question paper, we forget everything. Because we are scared of that, how we are going to do it. I don't know what is which are the questions. All those things, they play up on a human mind. This is human psychology. And the sooner the later, we should understand that we all have to face it. Facing something with grace is the reality of life. If that happens, well, we can achieve anything in this world. We can become great achievers. We will have V for victory sign for everything and anything. So positivity, pragmatism, practicality, overcoming our fear, all these things are very important for any kind of performance. And what is language? You need to interact with someone. You need to express your views, your ideas. And all that requires what? Confidence. And also that you must conquer your fear factor. Otherwise, psychologically, in your mind, it would happen in the same manner as it happens for a singer. He may be very good in his singing, flawless absolutely. But the moment he's in front of audience, he starts to stammer because he's having fear. I'm repeating this again and again to you because it's very important. And if you want to do well in life, in any sphere, in anything and everything, do the right thing at the right time, with the right people, with the right stance, with the right attitude, and don't let any kind of fear engulf you anytime. Your performance, let me tell you, would be doubled. It would be manifold. So everything lies within you yourself. And then that attitude of being very arrogant and feeling of the me, myself, I can do it, I'm the best, it should be there. But then you should be mellow, you should be soft, you should be at the receiving end also. You should be ready for the change, because change is for the betterment, and change is inevitable in life. The most predominant factor is change. So change for the better, change for the best. Grab the opportunity, get it instilled in you that I have to speak in English and in correct English. And mind you, today I want to stress one thing, that is listening is very important. All what you've heard, all what I've told you, all what you're listening from others, it's not that you're going to imitate it or you're going to copy it, but you're going to listen to it very carefully and do the right thing, become performance oriented, and I'm positive about it. If I can do it, you can also do it. So let's cut it short. This was what was there for you for today. Have a nice day. It was lovely talking to you all.